In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort emails in Gmail by sender, size, date, and unread. Sorting your emails can be a real game changer in managing your inbox effectively, allowing you to easily find what you need when you need it. Let's dive right in and make your Gmail experience more streamlined and productive. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, head over to Google's homepage by typing in www.google.com in the address bar. After you're on the Google homepage, you'll need to sign into your Google account. You can do this by clicking on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. You might already be signed in, but if not, simply enter your credentials and access your account. Now that you're signed in, locate the Gmail button on the top menu and click it to open your Gmail inbox. From here, we'll be able to apply various sorting techniques to your emails. To start sorting emails, focus your attention on the search bar at the top of your Gmail interface. This search bar is a powerful tool that allows you much more than just finding a specific email. If you're looking to sort emails by sender, simply type from, followed by the email address of the contact whose emails you want to view. For example, entering fromjohnexample.com will show you all emails from John. This is particularly handy when you want to follow a conversation or find specific correspondences from one contact. When sorting by size, you get to focus on those messages that might be taking up more space. In the search bar, type size, followed by the size limit you're looking to filter, for example size 5M, to see emails larger than 5 megabytes. It's such an effective way to efficiently manage your storage space. Sorting by date allows you to organize emails received within a particular time frame. In the search bar, type before or after, along with the date in the format YYMMDD. For instance, before 2023-01-01 shows emails you received before the start of 2023, helping you quickly locate older emails. Finally, if you wish to sift through unread emails, click on the small down arrow located at the rightmost edge of the search bar to open the advanced search options. In the search drop-down list, select unread mail to have Gmail find all the unread emails for you. This can be incredibly useful when you want to ensure you haven't missed out on any important communication. By mastering these search tools, you can transform your Gmail inbox from a cluttered space into an organized, easy to navigate workspace. Take some time to try these features out and soon you'll be navigating through your emails with ease.